Hi, this is Webkins96, and today we have Aztec. Hi. And he's going to open our package that we just got. And we have an anxious little audience. And an audience here and here too. So, anyways, let's see if we can open this. It's not working. Okay. Thank you. What's with all this bubble wrap? I wonder what's in it. Let's open it up and find out. Uh-oh. Thanks. No. Dang it. Read my tag.
Gray wolf.
Yep, I'm a gray wolf. Where's my W? Where's my W?
The W. Found it.
There it is. There's
It's
W. Focus. And I'll show the tag. Gray wolf. And this is our newest addition to our wolves. We've got the gray wolf. We've got Aztec, the red wolf. Oh, and by the way, his name, it's a boy, and it's going to be Samson. We've been waiting for this one for quite a while. We finally found it on eBay, and usually they've been going for like 40, 50 bucks. We got this one for $16, including shipping, so I was really excited when I found that one for this cheap, so I had to get it. So we've got the gray wolf, the red wolf, Shadow, the black wolf, and this isn't a wolf, but it's the coyote. I guess we're just missing pretty much the timber wolf, but who knows when that's gonna be. I'm not really gonna pay $200-300 for one. So maybe someday if I find it at a flea market, yard sale, garage sale, Craigslist, something, who knows. But for now, these are my wolves, and whoops. And thank you for watching.